Still I rise, one of the most popular person, Maya Angelou. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why even say with gloom? Cause I walk like I got oil wells, pumping in my living room? Just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides. Just like hope springing high, still I rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bound head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries? Does my hardiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard? Cause I laugh like I got gold mines, digging in my own backyard? You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, like air, I'll rise. Does my prettiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise? Cause I dance like I got diamonds at the meaning of my thighs? Out of the hut of history's shame, I'll rise. Up from a past that rooted in pain, I'll rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I'll rise. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I'll rise. Bringing the gift that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I'll rise.